If you have a sweet tooth, then you probably enjoy anything strawberry flavored. One of the best ways to enjoy strawberries is with strawberry chips, these crunchy and dry snacks that are made with slices of strawberry. The process involves removing most of the moisture from the strawberries. Concentrating the flavor and giving you a crispy texture. The best strawberry chips are those made without preservatives and added sugar, which makes them a natural, nutritious, and sweet treat. Join us as we delve into the best way to make strawberry chips in the factory. The first step for these factories to make strawberry chips is to carefully source and harvest the fruits. Since this is a natural snack, it's always better to enjoy brands that work with sustainable farms. Only the best strawberries are chosen from farms that use minimal pesticides. The strawberries must be perfectly ripe to ensure maximum flavor and nutritional content. Farmers select the strawberries based on size, color, and ripeness, so only the best are used to make chips. Since strawberries are highly perishable, they're transported from the fields to the processing factory for freshness. Once the strawberries arrive at the factory, they undergo a complete cleaning and washing process. This involves removing any dirt and debris that may be present on the fruit's surface. Strawberries are soaked in massive vats of water and gently agitated to dislodge particles clinging to the skin. With a conveyor belt, the strawberries are passed through high-pressure water jets, which remove all the impurities. The factory also treats the strawberries with a mild, food-safe sanitizing solution, getting rid of potential pathogens. This is highly important in large-scale production to ensure food safety standards. After they are washed, they are dried carefully to remove excess water that can interfere with the factory process. All of this ensures that the strawberries are safe to eat for the next process. Although the strawberry chips are made in a factory, they have to be sorted by hand. This is to make sure that only the best fruits are actually produced into chips. There are trained workers who inspect each strawberry, looking for signs of bruising, mold, and other imperfections that can damage the appearance or taste of the chips. Those that don't meet the standards are either discarded or repurposed. Hand sorting can be done by automated systems, but human inspection remains highly important due to some subtle issues. Some factories combine human and machine sorting, which ensures a high level of quality control. By testing and sorting the strawberries, the factory ensures that they make the best chips that meet customer expectations. Now, the factory can move through the actual process of making the strawberry chips. The strawberries are ready to be cut into slices. This process is carried out by specialized machines, which are able to cut the strawberries into thin, equal slices. The thickness of the slices can affect the texture and crispness of the chips, so it has to be fully controlled. The cutting process is very quick and precise, and the machines are able to slice large quantities of strawberries in a short period. This offers a lot of efficiency, maintaining the freshness of the fruit and ensuring that it is consistent. The strawberry pieces are laid out in a single layer on the trays, preparing them for the next stage of processing. One of the most common ways to make strawberry chips is with dehydration. Some factories use the dehydration process to make the chips. In this process, the sliced strawberries are arranged on trays and then inserted into a dehydrator, causing warm air to circulate around the fruit and remove the texture. Dehydration takes several hours to complete, complete, especially since it's done at low temperature to preserve the nutrients and flavor. When the dehydration is complete, the strawberry chips will be light, crispy, and filled with concentrated strawberry flavor. Many brands prefer dehydration because it's simple and does not require any additional ingredients or preservatives. It also extends the shelf life of the strawberries and results in a healthy, crunchy treat without any added sugar. Another method to produce strawberry chips at factories is freeze drying, which offers a different texture and flavor profile than what you can expect from the dehydration process. For freeze drying, the sliced strawberries are first frozen at very low temperatures. Then they are placed in a vacuum chamber with reduced pressure. This causes the frozen water in the fruit to sublimate directly from ice to vapor. With this process, the factory can remove moisture from the strawberries and still ensure their original shape and nutrients. With freeze-dried strawberry chip, consumers enjoy a light and airy texture. It has a more intense flavor than dehydrated chips. Freezing the chips also preserves the bright color of the chips, so they are visually appealing. Freeze drying also retains the vitamins and antioxidants in the fresh strawberries. Freeze drying is not actually a popular method among factories because it is more complex and expensive. Still, the resulting chips have a unique texture and intense flavor. Some factories also use baking to make strawberry chips, although this is a less common method. Baking strawberry slices are used by factories to achieve a unique flavor and texture, making them taste more like baked snacks. The strawberry slices are placed on the baking sheets and then placed in factory-size ovens. The ovens are set to low temperatures so the strawberries are baked slowly, causing the moisture to evaporate while the natural sugars are concentrated. Depending on the factory, this method can take up to several hours. Baked strawberry chips have thickness and crispness and feature a slightly chewier texture than dehydrated or freeze-dried chips. It can also caramelize the natural sugars of the strawberries, offering a richer and deeper flavor. Baking the chips in factories is not as efficient as the other two methods, but there's no doubt about the unique flavor profile that consumers prefer. The resulting chips are a delicious and sweet snack with the essence of fresh strawberries. Strawberry chips are a delicious snack that can be enjoyed in different ways. These delicious chips can be eaten plain if you simply enjoy strawberries. Another choice is to add them to snacks like trail mix or granola. They can even be used as toppings for yogurt, cereal, or ice cream. Some people also use the chips in salad or grind them into powder to use them in strawberry milk, meringues, or macaroons. Factories focus on selecting quality strawberries and use a specific method to dry or bake them, depending on the brand. Now that you know how these strawberry chips are made, you can even make them yourself.